Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to create a marquee banner with Depicter. If you don't know what a marquee banner is, it's basically a banner with text that move horizontally. Let's create one together. First, you need to add the Depicter plugin. So, in WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins. Add new plugin and search Depicter in the search bar. Install and activate it. In Depicter dashboard, head to Create a Blank and select Carousel. Rename it and choose Fill from the layout. For this marquee banner, set the width to 325 and the height to 110 pixels, then create. Alright, the layout is ready. Set a background color. Add a text. Change its color. Change the text. Change the font, the size, and the position of the text. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. Go to Shapes and Vectors. Add a vector. Enable Filter. Hit Edit and play with the settings until you get your desired color to match the look of your website. Select the text and in Hover, enable Hover Styles. Change the color and increase the scale so that it would get bigger when you hover on it. Now go to Animation, select the text animation and choose this one. Change whatever you want. I'm just gonna give it an animation delay. Now select your shape or vector. Select the fade in animation. Let's give it a loop animation. Choose rotation so that it would rotate all the time. In clockwise rotation, set the loop direction. Change the duration time and we're done here. Okay, I'm done customizing. Now, all you have to do is duplicate this item as many times as you want and change their text one by one. Hurry up and grab these 2 coupons to get Depicter Pro absolutely free. Duplicate some more and repeat the process. Alright, pay attention. Now we want to turn what we created into a marquee banner. So go to Options, Navigation, and enable the marquee effect. Let's see what we have here. Pause and hover is clear. Here we have direction. Now, the marquee effect moves westward originally, although you can reverse it. From here, you can adjust the speed of the marquee banner. Let's publish and add the marquee banner to our website. In your website, click on Edit with Elementor. Add the Depicter widget where you want and choose the marquee banner that you just created. Let's publish. And there you have it, a cool marquee banner that truly complements our website and it works just fine. How about I add another one right under the header? The more the merrier, right? Just navigate to Edit with Elementor and select the site header. Create a new section. Add the Depicter widget and select the marquee banner. Hit publish and check out the final result. Voila! The Marquee banner is killing it on the website. Oh, by the way, this cool website that you're seeing is made with Flux theme. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Take care. Ciao.